Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 11th, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about the graph, and don't make this mistake. The mistake is always pay attention to the charts. Don't ever think that you should not be paying attention to the price chart for the cryptocurrency space because it gives you a heads up as to where price is going to go. For instance, look at the chart in front of you. Yeah, I did a price prediction in the graph right here on April the 19th. And you guys can tell if we would have paid attention, or if you would have paid attention to this particular price bar in the graph, it was already letting you know that price was weak. So imagine the people who didn't pay attention and follow the price action of the price chart. They missed out, or they're on the wrong side of the market right now because they did not pay attention. Always pay attention to the price charts. Nothing more, nothing less. We knew off of the indicator that was created here in the graph, the push to go down bar, as well as an up fake, that the market was weak. And look at where we are at today. We're sitting at 11.5 cents in the graph. Congratulations to those who was able to win off that last price prediction. 16.29% was garnered on the May 1st. Or if you were to get out of the market right now, you guys can see you're at 25.5%. Just that simple. All right, so now let's look at the overall market action in the graph, and you guys can actually tell that we have broken the trend. So we are no longer thinking that the price is bullish in the graph. It is what it is. We also can tell on numerous occasions as to how many times price got rejected in the graph here. So even if we were to see the price in the graph come back up, we definitely would have to we would definitely need to see buyers take out 18 cents to the upside. Okay, so seeing that we have now broken the trend, we are not going to rely on it. We are going to pay attention to the market in the graph, possibly trading within a trading range. Now you guys can actually tell that this is the current area of support in the market in the graph. Why do I say that? Because for one, we saw the market bounce in the graph around mid-March, okay, and we're doing it again the second time. That is a major clue. Like I said, pay attention to the market. So this is going to be a crucial area for us to understand whether or not the market in the graph is a buy or a sell. It was a buy back in mid-March. It doesn't mean that it's going to be a buy now though. Let's look at the price action in the graph on the 2-day chart. Okay, so you guys can see literally here on this last completed 2 days that buyers came into the market right there. Here it is on the 3-day. And now take a look at the graph on the 5-day chart. Okay, so we're starting out on a new 5-day price bar in the graph. This last completed 5-day price bar literally tells me that buyers enter the market. So we need to be careful regarding how strong the buyers really are in the graph. Okay, let's look at this on a weekly, 2 weeks, 5 weeks. The 5-weekly chart looks terrible for the buyers. Now we still have 10 days left, so I'm not going to be relying upon it, but the 5-weekly chart right now, yeah, that's definitely some weakness being created there. Here it is on the 3 weeks too. So the last completed 3-weekly price bar right here is another indicator to tell us that the market is weak. So how weak is the market though? Well, I'm not going to say that it's extremely weak. I don't think that the price in the graph is extremely weak. We may actually see the market in the graph try to come here to this particular area for support. And then this will be our second area to find market support. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to look at this on the hourly chart first to see if the market in the graph is truly bullish. So far it's not. I think you guys can see on the 7-hour chart that this is where the market resistance is currently at. And we also saw another indicator of weakness on the last completed 7 hours push to go down bar. So not only are we seeing resistance at 12 cents We also are noticing weakness currently in the graph on the 7-hour. Here it is on the 15-hour chart. You guys can see even better the resistance area right there. Okay. So now the question is, should we participate in the graph anticipating that the market's going to continue to go lower, or should we wait? To me, I think we should wait, because we need to get confirmation still. We're in the initial stages of getting that confirmation that the market is still going to buy just like they did back in mid-March. We're not there yet. We don't have that information that the buyers are really here holding the price yet. Maybe another day or two, we should get more information as to whether or not they're going to hold 11 cents. If they do, then we know that this is a perfect buying opportunity to ride the market in the graph, maybe to 13 cents, because that's a definite area of resistance there too. So let me do this. Let me hold fast and not put on a price prediction in the graph today. We're going to let the market continue to work the kinks out, iron itself out, and then from that point, we should have more information as to whether or not we could come in and do a price prediction looking for the market to go higher. But you don't have to. Give me your prediction in the comment section. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.